Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted to the point coding tutorials. Today we will be talking about relational operators. First, we introduce the equality operator, which is two equal signs together. It compares the values on either side and returns true if they are equal and false if they are not. For example, the text string hello does not match with the text string world, so it returns false. On the other hand, the integers 5 and 5 are equal, returning true. Here we're using the inequality operator spoken as not equal to. It's the exact opposite of the equal to operator. If the values on either side of the operator are not equal, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. For instance, hello is not equal to world, so we get a true. While on the other side, 5 is equal to 5, so we get a false. Next up are the greater than and less than operators. The symbol greater than checks if the value on the left is more than the one on the right and returns true if that's the case. The symbol less than checks if the value on the left is less than the one on the right, and again, if it is, it returns true. Both operators return false if the values are equal or if the relationship doesn't hold true. Lastly, let's focus on the greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operators. Similar to their simple counterparts, these operators check whether the value on the left is greater or lesser than the value on the right. However, the key difference here is that these operators also return true when both the values are equal. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding.